Hi, thank you very much for watching my video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, before you continue to watch this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to actually change users' password in Azure Active Directory. So let's say you are in charge of your Office 365 admin center and you've been requested to actually change the user's password. So we have different options. I've already created a video on how to do that in Office 365. So but how do we do it in Azure Active Directory? So let's say if you log into your Office 365 admin center and you scroll down to your admin centers here we have the Azure Active Directory. So click on Azure Active Directory, and I'm going to skip this for now. And here we have your click on the users. So all your users will be listed here. So right now, let's say I want to change the password of Ben Andrews. So if I click on Ben Andrews, so double click on it, and here you can see we have the option which is called the reset password. So if I click on reset password, you see the user Ben will be assigned a temporary password that must be changed on the next sign in. To display the temporary password, click reset password. So if I click reset password, you can see provide this temporary password to the user so they can sign in. So right now, what Azure is actually doing is saying that we have to provide the user this password to be able to actually sign in. And I think when the user is trying to sign in, the user will be requested to change his password. Just like in Office 365, if I go to Office 365, my Office 365 admin center, and I go to users, let me just click on active users, and here we have Ben Andrew. So if I click on Ben Andrew here and I click reset password, you can see that I have the option to actually auto generate a password and click reset, or I can actually let me create the password myself and just create a password and then send this password to Ben. Or I can decide to say, okay, the users should keep on using this password and should not actually be required to reset his password when he or she first log in. But in Azure Active Directory, the user is actually forced to reset his password when he or she tries to log in the first time. So thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. And please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. And you can also leave a comment, like this video. You can as well share the video to your friends or just share it on your profile and to encourage me to create more IT related video. Thank you very much and hope to see you next time. Bye.